I have not done a favorites in the last couple months, and we got to do one because we finally have summer. I don't know about you or where you live, but in Orange County, California, where I'm from, we had a really delayed summer. I was just like, where is the heat? Where is the sun? I was getting acclimated to colder weather. I'm someone where I have never done well in cold, and I got so acclimated to the weather of it being chilly that I started feeling like I needed a jacket at like 60. Even at 58, I was kind of okay with a little light cardigan or jacket. And I'm someone where I used to be cold at 68. So the second it started getting warm, I'm like, woo, just sweating buckets and sweating in places and nooks and crannies that I forgot I could sweat in. So the first product I'm going to show may be nerd alert to you, but it is this baby right here, and it is a neck fan. Now, I mentioned this because I first got this, I would say 5 years ago, 6 years ago. No, 5 years ago when I went to Disney World for the very first time, and it's a neck fan. This thing works so good. Like, even right now, my room is so hot. Our AC is not the best, but when I put this on, it is so good. So if you work from home and you get hot, or say for instance, you don't want to always have to put on the air, or you want to save electricity, this is honestly a lifesaver. I'll be at my desk on my computer, and it helps so much. You have no idea. Woo! It does not run on batteries. It is rechargeable, so that is great, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm really debating wearing this the rest of the video because my room just got so freaking humid. It's not just for amusement parks, but if you go out to like maybe a family vacation or whatever, this saves you. I'm telling you, there's different colors. I have white, Glenn has blue. Thick thighs save lives. I'm someone where I am thicky thick in the thighs, very proud, and I will tell you, chafing, I'm not so proud of. It is not fun. It's not a good time. And you know, I've been to the point where my chafing has been so bad where I'm almost about to bleed because I did not put this product on. Hasn't happened this year. I'm talking about like a previous year, but ever since that day where I was like basically swollen in between my thighs from so much walking and so much friction that I will never forget this product ever again. And it is Mega Babe Thigh Rescue. Now, I had no idea they had a mini, and this is so perfect for your purse. So wherever you go, stick this in. It is, woo, it is a lifesaver. I went to Disneyland the other day and I was wearing a skirt and it was 90 degrees. Just put two and two together. Yes, A plus B equals chafing. So yeah, I definitely brought this, and like I said, I had no idea they had a mini, so this is perfect. I used to lug around a large one. I definitely want to pick up a larger size, but this has been saving me. So far it's been lasting like the last couple of months whenever I do wear dresses or skirts. And I feel like with this product, it doesn't like rub off right away, and I really enjoy it. This is a must. If you have thick thighs, whew, just put this on and you're going to be gliding, and you're going to be living your best life, okay? It's not going to distract you, because I'm telling you, when the chafe is real, you know it is no fun. And it feels like, it makes you feel like self-conscious, and you're just like, you're in pain, and then you start like panicking about it. It's just not a good time. If you've been there with me, we know what's up, right? I'm someone where I have sensitive skin and I do get eczema. I've never had any reaction with that in between my thighs. With the sun out, I definitely have been trying to keep up with my SPF like double time. So I switched up, and now I'm doing an SPF in my moisturizer, a physical SPF in my foundation. Whatever I can do, I am putting it on because the sun has been super strong. My go-to moisturizer I've been using every single day is a Supergoop Super Screen, and this is SPF 40. It's very nice and light. It's not too thin of a formula where it actually moisturizes your face, but it's also not too thick where you feel like all of a sudden it's just melting from your face. It's a really good consistency. It's nice and lightweight, like I said. Go to every single day. The container you just twist up, and there you go. I'm on my second one because it is so good. I have this one for my empties, and I had to get a new one the other day. Speaking of creams, this has completely changed my under eye game. I don't know if you can see, but I have like zero creasing, and it is with this product. And I know it is because when I don't use it, I'm creasing. Now, most of the time they always say like put moisturizer under your eyes and it'll really help. But whenever I would do that, sometimes if they're too emollient or just not moisturizing enough, I'm creasing. Too much moisture, creasing. Not enough, creasing. This is the perfect balance for me, and it is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. I don't know if it's because it is a gel, but I also love the pump on this because I am not wasting any product. You know when you get a pump and you try to do that little half pump and it's just not happening? I'm going to waste it because, you know, I'm trying to help you out and show you. But with this pump, you can do like a little half pump, and I'm going to show you right now. Here, watch. Just a little half pump. Boom. That's all you need for one eye. There you go. That's all you need. And I'm telling you, once I put that on for my concealer, whew, it is so good. It blends out really nice, very lightweight, but it still moisturizes my under eyes. So that's one thing that I love. So let me know if you've used this because, like I said, game changer with a lot of my concealers. Of course, we got the SPF primer, right? So this is a 2-in-1. You guys already know I am super goop lover, super goop queen. I love the glow screen, the lotion, everything. Obviously, I like the moisturizer. Just picked up a second one. I love them. So, Unseen Sunscreen is SPF 40. What's great about this product is it comes out like this, and it is a twofer. It is not just a sunscreen, but it also works as a makeup primer. And I will tell you right now, it does fill in the pores. None of my makeup has been slipping, and I just know I have my skin protection at the same time. So this is the best twofer ever. Now, with me being so sweaty, I've been really into glam makeup and stepping out the box and wearing like way more eyeshadow and doing more glam looks. But lately, sweating way too much these last couple weeks, so I toned it down big time, and I am back to like a more natural routine. And what I've been loving for every single day is this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, natural skin perfector. There is an SPF 20 sunscreen, which I love. I'm currently wearing, what shade am I wearing? Bisque 3W1. I had my drawer open. Oh my gosh, I hate that, don't you? Right on my freaking elbow. Okay, moving on, or back to what I was talking about. Damn. Okay, Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I'm wearing it right now, and I'm also wearing it not set. So I wanted to show you how it just brings like that glow. I am a little bit warm, FYI, but I wanted to show you how it sits. When I set it, it looks really nice and soft focus, which with my L'Oreal powder or my one size, but I'll wear it like not set, and I love it because it doesn't crease. It just looks, it's so natural. It blends out beautifully. I feel like I'm freaking just wearing just literally the name of it, a tinted moisturizer. So I do wear that moisturizer, and then I do put this on. So, and I do use a primer before this as well. Everything I'm showing you, that's what I've been using on the daily. So you can see, that's what it looks like. And then here's the swatch right there. And there I am. If you guys can tell, I have been swimming a lot, and I got a little bit more brown biscuit color. I'm so happy. The other day, someone's like, okay, brown biscuit, come through. I was like, I know. That was like the first brown biscuit I've got from this year of someone DMing me that. I'm like, yeah, it was about time I got some color. Mesquites. The mesquites are here, and they're on me like flies on shit. And yeah, and since my sweat comes out, they just come out. They're like, woo, party, time to bite her. Yes, not fun, but this saves me all the time. I've had this already for like 3 years, and it's called, I think it's just bug bite. I think that's what it says. It's just basically a suction. So if you have like a syringe or something like that, just go over the mosquito bite, sucks it up, boom, and you are done. You can also flip this around and get a more accurate bite, something small, and just pump it, just hold it, and you're good to go. And it really helps. It has been saving me. And I need to get another one because we lost our other one and we just have one, but it is such a lifesaver. So if you're getting bit, you need bug bite. Whew, it is getting hot. Excuse me, I can't help it. I don't have my neck fan on. I have been on this perfume for so long, and it is Chanel Chance, and it is my favorite. You have no idea. It just smells just so like romantic and soft and just beautiful to me, and nice and fresh at the same time. I'm so obsessed with it. I got a travel one, and what's great about the travel, let me grab it. First off, let me show you how much I love this one. Look how low this is. This is my favorite perfume right now. It's a twist up for your purse, and I've been taking this with me, and whenever you want to switch it out, you just pull this out and you put in a new vial, and it comes with two. It is so worth it in my opinion, and it just smells so fresh, and I love the spray. Ooh, oh my gosh, smell like me. I was actually looking at it and I didn't realize how popular it was until I was like, oh, I want to get the purse spray because I got gifted like another Chanel one, but I love Chance, not Mademoiselle, but that one's nice, but it's a little bit, it's pretty strong, so that's like more for nighttime in my opinion when I feel like that scent. This was out of stock and it finally got back in stock just like the other month, so I had to get it. If you don't know, I have my fan here and the heat is not playing, so I'm gonna put on this freaking headband, okay? Woo, it is so hot. Like out of nowhere, it's like, oh, you want to film? Okay, let's set up that humidity and let's set up that heat, Lizzie. Let's do it. My favorite makeup cleanser is from Professional. This is the best freaking oil cleanser I've ever used. I think I mentioned this another time, but it's a must. I literally ration this off. I use it for like the days that I was wearing like heavy makeup, which is why I was using it a lot. But like I said, the last 3 weeks, whoo, much lighter face. But the Professional Get Unblocked, it is so good. I love the scent. It's very fresh. It almost smells like their primer, the Benefit Professional primer, but it just says pore clearing makeup removing cleansing oil. I don't know what's in this, but it's pure magic. It is so good. It just dissolves everything. As for lip color, I do not want to bother with liquid lipsticks because they dry out my lips. I've been using lip balm, and I have already mentioned Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Reef probably 92 times on my channel, so it's almost like illegal for me to talk about it again. But what's on my lip, it just adds the perfect amount of color, a nice little sheen, and it's this Maybelline Lip Vinyl in the shade Peachy. Right here. It's a great everyday color. Comes like this. Now I will say it's not, well, I don't want to say it's not a comfortable lip, but it does have tackiness to it. But once it dries, it's very manageable. But here's the shade, and I love it because it lasts so long. I don't have to think about my lip color fading away, and this has been my go-to because, like I said, I don't want to bother, but I still want to have a nice lip color, and I love this. This will last so many hours, even after I've ate. At first, I thought they were going to be too drying, and now that I'm, like, really trying them out, I love them. Favorite contour, this little bitty one right here from Milk. I'm currently wearing it, probably sweat it off, but this little contour packs such a punch. This is in the shade Stoked, and I did this in my last Get Ready, so go check it out. It is a great shade, especially if you want like a true shadow and something that's not too warm. And I'm someone where I gravitate towards warm bronzers to warm the face, not contour, but I still call it contour. Let me live. And this one is so good. It's the first like cool tone that I've enjoyed where it's like that perfect medium. It's not too gray because I just feel like those look so crappy on me. I don't know about you, but if you've been in that position, try Stoked out, and I would give it a shot. I really would, because this is the first like cool tone that I've ever enjoyed because it's like that perfect shade, really, and I'm in shock. And when I really concentrate on contouring and chiseling, you see it and I'm like, yes, this is the shadow I needed. Eyeliner, I've been using liquid liner, but most days I'm using pencil, and this is the one I've been using, and it's from ColourPop, and it's their cream gel liner. Now they came out with a bunch of brown tones, which I love, and this one is in the shade, oh my gosh, is it already off? I've been using it like every single week, Brouhaha. The perfect brown, in my opinion, for like that smoky wing liner, and this will not fade. It's mega waterproof. It really lasts. So go check this one out. All of their brown shades are really nice, but this one, Brouhaha, the best. Okay, I also tried out the IT Cosmetics Waterproof Superhero. When I did that video, it was not doing nothing for my lashes, and now that it like got air inside and all that, you know how sometimes like some mascaras just need to just dry out a bit? This is it. The only problem I will say is it has been getting a little gunky, but I have been using it every single day for weeks, so I don't know, but it is getting gunky right here. But this mascara is what I'm wearing today, and I feel like I have terrible lashes, and now my lashes look really good. They have like some volume to them. You can see them, even the bottom ones. My favorite blush right now is this one. It's just very nice and glowy, gives a nice flush, and it's from Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade, I have no freaking idea. I think it's just called Totally Blushed. That's what it says at the bottom, but I believe that's the name because I just feel like it gives that beautiful flush. Like, You know, I've always been the person where when I get hot or at the gym, I get tomato red cheeks, and this is the look. So I love it. Blends out. You just need a little baby dot. It's like Rare Beauty. Just very tiny dot, and it comes out in a more like moussey texture, but don't let that fool you. Very little. And then as far as tech, I had to make a mention, and I saw someone show this on TikTok, and it is the cutest freaking thing. So where's my phone? So you can clip it on your phone right here, and it's a little selfie light, and there's a button at the bottom. It's obviously rechargeable, but look, you can spin it all the way around. So if you're someone where you take content, or you want to take a selfie, or you don't want to keep clipping and unclipping, this turns on like that, has lots of settings. That one, brighter, and even brighter. Now warm, brighter, brighter, and now cool, right there. You can just angle it, and it angles down and everything. I can't even believe it, because sometimes those lights that are just like stuck, you can't move them or you have to maneuver them. This one is so tiny. Like, look at that. Look how much, you don't want to see that, but look at that. Look at all that sweat. Ooh. Haunted mansion shit. Sorry, that's like the first thing that came to my mind right now. Just hold it down and then it'll turn off. But look how tiny this thing is. Look how tiny it is, like in the palm of my hand. So tiny. And like I said, rechargeable right there. I'll link it down below. Okay, that's not looking any better. And then my last favorite is gonna be my nails. I am obsessed with these rose gold tips. This style is called Rock Candy from Glamnetic. I'll link it down below. I have 20% off if you use my code WhatWouldLizzyDo. That is affiliate, so thank you in case you use it. I will get a small commission from it, but thank you if you do. But I do have the Battle of the Nails coming up, and that's what I'm filming next, because I just started, I tested out Olive in June. I have almost every single set I wore, I have it in a big Ziploc or in my bag. Like, I have a bag, and with most of the pairs, I have so many photos, so many videos, like the wear and tear of them. I have so much to go through, but that's for the next video. So don't worry, I got you. All right, I love you. Again, I'll link everything down below. Have a fabulous day and stay warm. Stay warm. I'm about to stay warm. Why did I say stay cool? No, don't stay warm. Stay cool, because that's what I'm trying to do. All right, bye.